Hello gorgeous people! Today I will share with you a recipe which I learned from our office boy Saifu, who is from India. A very famous Indian tea, or they call it Karak Chai. Ingredients are loose black tea, some cardamom and saffron, syempre level up ng onte, and evaporated milk and sugar, of course. Exact ingredients will be in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. This recipe is as easy as ABC. Super. So first, iboboil lang natin yung evaporated milk and mag-a-add tayo ng water. I used 2 cans of 170 grams of rainbow evaporated milk. Actually, we have a joke here in Dubai na meron ng tatara sa Alaska because rainbow milk is like creamier than Alaska. Sorry, Alaska. Opinion ko lang naman yun. So, syempre, kanya-kanya tayo ng panlasa. So, once na nag-boil na yung milk and water, ilalagay na natin yung loose black tea. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can always adjust the measurement ng sugar. Depende kung gaano ka-sweet yung gusto nyo. Then, let it boil and then add na natin yung cardamom and saffron. I decided to add cardamom and saffron para mas level up ng onte. But, usually, hindi na kailangan yung saffron. Pero yung cardamom, for Indians, mas added flavor kasi siya. So, dagdagan na natin. Now, you might ask, ano ba yung Karak Chai? Yung Karak Chai, yan ang parang naging sort of traditional tea or milk tea dito sa UAE. So, ask any Filipino. I think halos lahat ng Filipino na in love na sa flavor ng Karak Chai. And you can find Karak Chai in almost every corner in the streets of Dubai or UAE. So, yan talaga yung go-to tea ng mga tao dito. So, once na kumulo na siya, I let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just watch out, guys, kasi may tendency siyang umapaw. So, keep an eye on it. Now, we will need to strain it on another container. So, ayan. Para ma-strain yung tea and yung cardamom. This smells so nice and talagang parang nakakagutom yung amoy niya. I hope you can try this. Alam nyo dito, they sell that one small cup, yung paper cup, for 1 dirham. Ngayon ata medyo 150 na. Basta ang alam ko 1 dirham siya. Now, it's ready for us to drink it. Ayan. So, I decided to use a double-walled glass para mas kita niya yung ganda ng color niya. Actually, bagong bili lang kasi kaya gusto kong gamitin. So there, you now have a very delicious Karak Chai or Indian tea, which is best paired with cake rusk or any cookies, or of course paratha, which is an Indian bread as well. I will be showing the recipe of that on the next videos. I really hope you can try this recipe, and if you do like, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down below, and share it with your friends and loved ones. So always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!